Hello viewers, this is MD Khayyum Civil Engineer. A hearty welcome to all the viewers of JLT Academy. Today I am going to discuss about a ground floor plan of dimension 24 feet by 32 feet. So this is a very comfortable plan, but before going to discuss in detail, I request all the viewers, those who did not subscribe our channel JLT Academy, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the further notifications. Now let's move on to discuss in detail. So this is the main entrance of the plan. So here you can view a lavish area is available for the parking of dimension 10 feet by 12 feet 5 inches. So where you can park car along with motor vehicles. So here on the left hand side and on the right hand side, all the three sides we have given a setback of 1 feet 6 inches on the back side, and on the left hand side of 1 feet 6 inches, and this side also 1 feet 6 inches, and here 3 feet. So this is a very comfortable area is available for us. So now I am entering to the drawing room of dimension 9 feet 2 inches by 10 feet 6 inches, where you can see the sofa set along with teapot and the LCD projector is we have plotted here. So now this staircase is provided to move towards the upstairs. So here underneath of the staircase you can see a common toilet of 4 feet 5 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. Now I am returning back to the drawing room. From drawing room now I am entering to the dining room of dimension 9 feet 2 inches by 8 feet 5 inches, where you can view a 6 members dining table is arranged with a open kitchen of dimension 7 feet by 8 feet 5 inches. And in the kitchen you can view there is a wash area is also available, fully ventilation because setback is provided all the four sides. Now I am returning back to the dining room. From dining room I am moving towards the master bedroom of our plan of dimension 9 feet 3 inches by 8 feet 5 inches. From this master bedroom we can view there is a attached toilet of dimension 4 feet 5 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. So this plan is very comfortable plan for a area of 24 feet by 32 feet. If you like the video a lot, I request all the viewers kindly like, share and subscribe our channel JLT Academy. Thanks for watching.